Hello viewers, a warm welcome to all of you. In this segment, we are going to discuss matrix second segment. I am Professor Aditya De and the total lecture is conducted by Ganon powered by Wishback. Now today we are going to discuss the cofactor of an element. Consider a determinant delta is equal to A11, A12, A13. In the second row, A21, A22, A23. And in the third row, A31, A32, A33. The cofactor is capital C11, capital C12, capital C13 in the first row. In the second row, it will be capital C21, capital C22, capital C23. In the third row, it will be capital C31, capital C32, capital C33. Where C1 is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 capital M11. Why 1 plus 1? Because row equal to 1 and column is equal to 1. That's why it will be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. What will be the capital C12? Guess? Okay, check your answer. It will be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 M12. So, minus 1 to the power 3 will be minus 1. So, C12 will be minus M12. What is C13? It will be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 capital M13 is equal to M13. Similarly, we can find the cofactors of the other elements. Now consider a matrix capital A is equal to A11, A12, A13 in the first row. In the second row, consider A21, A22, A23. In the third row, consider A31, A32, A33. So, the adjoining of A will be capital C11, capital C12, capital C13. Then in the second row, capital C21, capital C22, capital C23. In the third row, capital C31, capital C32, capital C33 to the power transpose. You are already aware of the significance of capital C suffix ij. It will be equal to, that means adjoining is equal to capital C11, capital C21, capital C31 in the first row. In the second row, it will be capital C12, capital C22, capital C32. In the third row, it will be capital C13, capital C23, capital C33. Inverse of a matrix A can be calculated by A inverse is equal to 1 by det A into adjoining of A. Linear equation Ax is equal to B can be solved by matrix inversion method. Let us take one equation A11 x1, A12 x2 plus up to A1n xn is equal to B1. And in the last equation is AM1 x1, AM2 x2 up to AMN xn is equal to Bn. X can be solved by x is equal to A inverse B, where x is a collection of all the x suffix I, and capital A is a matrix of the coefficient of the A. That means collection of all the coefficient of the x in the equations. And what will be the B? B will be the is equal to the right side of the equation. So in this way, you can find the solution of the unknown variable x. Now let us discuss another very important term, eigenvalue and eigenvector. We start by finding the eigenvalue. We know this equation must be true, that means AV is equal to lambda V. Now let us put it in an identity matrix so that we are dealing with a matrix versus matrix. So AV is equal to lambda IV. Bring all to the left side, the equation will be AV minus lambda IV is equal to 0. If V is non-zero, then we can solve for lambda just the adjustment of the determinant. That means within a third bracket, within a determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0. Now let us take one example. Say capital A is equal to minus 6, 3, 4, 5. Then A minus lambda I will be within determinant minus 6, 3, 4, 5 minus lambda I. If you solve this, it will be minus 6 minus lambda 3, 4, 5 minus lambda determinant. You already aware how to solve a determinant. So the result will be within a first bracket minus 6 minus lambda into 5 minus lambda minus 12 is equal to 0. The lambda value will be minus 7 and 6. So these are the eigenvalues. Now AV is equal to lambda V. If you put this lambda value, then the equation will be minus 6, 3, 4, 5 xy is equal to 6 xy, where x and y are the two variables. So after the solution, the equation will be y is equal to 4x. Hence, the eigenvector is 1, 4. So what we have discussed in these two segments? In these two segments, we discussed matrix basic concept. After that, we discussed matrix operation, then inverse of a matrix. After that, we discussed linear equation solution using matrix. And lastly, we discussed eigenvalue and the eigenvector of a matrix. So in this segment, we have tried almost all the properties of the matrices. That's all for this segment. Practice the matrices, each term and each equation repeatedly. Stay safe, stay tuned to Canon. Bye.